Today we're going to be changing the brake light on our 2012 Ford Taurus. So what you have to do is come inside here and twist these off right here. They twist off real easily, these two. Okay, pull this down and you'll have 3 nuts that you have to take off with a 7/16 wrench. Sometimes you can just loosen these and then twist them right off, just like that. So 1, this one's already loose. Okay, now we'll just push these from the front, from the back. Help loosen our light. And it's our bottom bulb right here, which is your brake light. Careful, it might be broken. I'm gonna get some pliers. Just pull it out like that. So we've got our bulb, which is a 3057 light bulb. Make sure you put a glove on so you don't get any oils from your hands on there. They say it shortens the life of the bulb. Let's get her back in here. Okay. Line it up, twist, just like that. Slide it back in and we'll give it a try. All right, so let's put our nuts back on. All right. These fit right back in the holes. Get our caps. Just pop them right on. Okay. And that's how you change your brake light on your 2012 Ford Taurus. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.